To my kitchen. So today I'm just gonna get right into the video. Here I have some lamb neck that I've just washed. It was soaking in some vinegar, so I just washed it off nicely. Oh my god, sorry about that noise. That's my washing machine in the background. Anyways, it's Saturday night and I just want to season my meat quickly and leave it for Sunday morning. So here I have ginger, onion, thyme, garlic, and you know me, I can't leave out my pepper, spring onion, and pimento. I'll be using some onion salt, all-purpose seasoning, meat seasoning, a little bit of Old Bay, Lord God help me, Old Bay seasoning, and a small amount of browning. So I'm just gonna put them on quickly and I'll show you what it looks like. Hi guys, so it's time to prepare the lamb neck, and it's been marinating overnight. Oh, the oil is ready. So sometimes when I'm doing turkey neck, I get the butchers to chop it, like say this, in like 4 pieces, and then I could stew it down. So this one is just going to be brown stewed lamb neck. I should have gotten him to chop it because my mind, these are some chunky pieces of meat. So I'm just going to brown them up and then stew it down. I'm just making sure that none of the seasonings are going in. Now this a big oncoming now. I never had lamb neck in Jamaica, only when I came here, and it's nice. It's nice to make soup, and as I said, you can have it chopped up and stew it down nicely, or you don't stew it like what I'm doing today. I don't know if there's any other way to prepare it. If anybody watching has had lamb neck and done it another way before, let me know so I can try it out, because I love to try out new things in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm just going to brown it on each side, and then we're going to transfer it to a different pot and stew it down with all the seasonings. Okay, so they're finished browning. A little bit overdone, but what I did was just transferred the oil from the frying pan into my Dutch pot. I'm just gonna put them in. Oh, and I've got a kettle of boiling water here, and I'm just gonna rinse out my seasoning bowl. And transfer it to the top. I'm just going to use the entire kettle of water and let it cook. There we go. We'll just leave that. Check on it again in the next 30 minutes or so. Yes, people, so this is what it's looking like after an hour. I think what happened is that I had the fire on low heat at the earlier part, so not much has happened. It's not soft yet. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some more seasoning to it and vegetables. I got peppers, mixed peppers, and some more spring onions and tomato and carrot. And I'm gonna cover it, leave it for another 30 minutes or so, and it should be making very good progress by then. Today I'm going to make gungo peas and rice. I don't want to take too long in the kitchen today because I've got to be somewhere. So today I'm just going to use the tin gungo. It's not my favorite method, but it works. Normally I would boil the gungo, and I get the dry gungo, and that gungo take one time, could you believe it, 3 hours before it becomes soft. So today I'm not really in the long thing, so just going to do something very quick. Quick. Let me rinse my pot again. Yeah. So here you can see I'm about to put the gungo peas onto the stove. I just emptied the tin into the pot, and I also emptied the coconut milk. I added scallion, thyme, pepper, and season and such delights. It's getting there. So I put the potatoes, when the potatoes mash out in there, it will make the gravy nice and thick. Yes, people, so this is what it looks like. Get a little bit of color now, slight. So what I do, everyone does their thing different, but I love my rice cooker. What I do, I washed 2 cups of rice and put some butter, and now I'm just gonna pour I should have removed the thyme and stuff first, but I'll just do it now, especially the pepper. whatever is left, just pick out while eating. But that's that. And voila, I'll just put it in my rice cooker. Let me let you guys see what's going on with this. I just reduced the heat. I want it to slow cook until it's almost falling off of the boil. And the gravy is already thickening up, and that's due to the potato. I think I'm gonna leave this for like another 30 minutes, honestly, because I like when the meat is soft. So reduce the heat. Alright, I'll show you guys the finished product when I'm done, and let you know how long it took to cook overall. So it's all done. The gravy is nice and thick. I mean, it's not beautiful or anything, but it's actually very flavorsome. It tastes nice, and it's just something different. So you should try and give it a go. We'll plate it up and you'll see the finished product. So this is the end result. It looks nice, and I know it's a big piece of meat, big piece of bone and that, but it's actually very tasty and bursting with flavor. So you can try tasting lamb neck, and put a bit of pepper in there to give it a bit of spice. Anyways, and my gungo rice come out alright in the end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Take care. God bless. Until my next video. Bye.